Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily reset your laptop so it's like brand new and fresh. Let's begin. First, this is going to work for any type of Windows 10 or 11. I want you to click on the Start menu over here and then type in Settings or simply type in Reset this PC. Click on it. And once you're on this page, I want you to click on Get Started or simply click on Reset this PC for Windows 11. Click on it, and this window will pop up. Now you will have options. Keep My Files, which will keep your personal stuff like photos, documents, but removes applications and settings. Or Remove Everything, which wipes out your entire system clean, deleting all the files and applications. Choose whichever works best for you. For me, I'll go with Keep My Files for this example. Now, you will be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. You can pick cloud downloads or local reinstall. I recommend local because it's usually faster. You can also click on Change Settings over here if you want to customize the reset a bit more. Now, once done, click on Confirm. You can now click Next, and it will give you more prompts. Just make sure to click on Next. Once everything is ready, wait for Windows to prepare and then press Reset. Your laptop will restart, reinstall Windows, and return to its original state. Good as new. And that's it. That's how you can easily reset your laptop to factory settings. I hope you found this video very helpful.